Hi everyone, it's Rita. I'm super excited today to be participating in this collaboration hosted by Pink Zebra the Unicorn Crafter. It is called the Magical Christmas Collab. We will be bringing you a Christmas related video every Friday for 6 weeks beginning on November 1st. The ladies that are participating are flashing by you on the screen as I speak, so be sure to check out their channels. Also, check out the playlist, which will be linked below. I know they will be showing you some great Christmas related videos. So this is week 1. I hope you enjoy it. I'm bringing you 2 DIYs today, so let's get started. Okay, so I have 2 projects for you today. I'm going to use this gift bag from Dollar Tree and an 11 by 14 frame also from Dollar Tree. What I'm going to do is simply cut this bag down and place it in the frame. I am going to paint the frame though. I want a different color. I don't really like the brown, so I'll just let you watch. And here I'm going to take that paper that was in the frame and just draw an outline so I'll know where to cut the bag. I do have the holes in it. It wasn't big enough to not include the holes, but I have a solution for that, and you'll see that towards the end of this DIY. I will be using some red acrylic paint along with some black, and I'm going to mix these two together. I don't want a bright red, but I do want a red tone frame. I did apply 2 coats of paint, but be sure to let your first coat dry thoroughly before applying the second coat. And here's what the frame looks like. In person, you can see some spots where a little bit of the brown is showing through, but I did like that. It gives it a more rustic look. So now I'm just going to put it together and display it for you, and be sure to stay tuned. I have one more DIY for you today. Now, as I mentioned, those holes are still in that bag in the frame. So my solution was just to take a little bit of the red paint and place it where I thought the holes were. And if you're at a distance, you really can't see them at all. Okay, so here's project number one. For a total of $2, you can have this cute little sign. Let it snow, happy holidays. Sorry for the reflection, guys, but yeah, I think it's really cute and it's very affordable. So stay tuned for DIY number 2 in this magical Christmas collaboration. Okay, for this DIY, I'm going to use just a can. I believe it had peas in it. And then that little plate is from Dollar Tree. You get a pack of those for $1, and I believe there's either 8 or 10 in the pack, and they are clear. I've spray painted both black, and I'm just going to use a little hot glue to place it on. I didn't get it centered exactly, so if you do this, make sure you center it, but it did turn out okay anyway. So stay tuned and you'll see how I decorate this. I'll be using this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'll also use a pick that I got at Dollar Tree and use some of the pieces off of it. Just cut your ribbon to length, use a little hot glue, and glue it down. Now on this pick, I'm just going to cut off a piece of the greenery, a pine cone, and those red berries, and I'm going to hot glue them onto the hat. This is a super simple DIY, and it's very affordable. So if you have ribbon on hand, as most of you crafters do, but if you don't, the roll of ribbon was $1, and the plates were $1, and the pick was $1. So $3 if you have to buy everything. stay tuned and I'll display both DIYs for you. So here they are, guys. So for a total of $4 or $5, you can make these two pieces, and they're really simple and super cute for the Christmas holidays. Be sure to check out the ladies I'm collaborating with in this magical Christmas collaboration. Their channel links are below, and the playlist is below as well. I would like to give a big thanks to Danielle for hosting this collaboration. I hope you enjoyed these today, guys. Thanks to my subscribers for your continued support. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Wishing everyone a magical Christmas this year. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in my next video.